Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a CROSSCALL Core M5 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's scroll down again to find reset options. Let's tap on them and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap. Here, your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings, including the Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. So let's tap on Reset Settings if you're ready. And here we've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone. So let's tap on Reset Settings and wait a second. It may take a while, so be patient. And as you can see, we've got this information, which simply means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.